Hi, biologists. Today is Friday, April 17th. We are in our final day before spring break, so that's exciting. So I'm just going to share my screen with you all. So what we're working on right now is the same standard about traits being passed down. We're continuing to work on our mini QPA. So our objective for today is to describe how DNA is passed down by answering vocabulary and analysis questions. We're going to continue part 3 of our mini QPA 2. And then you guys will be all done to turn that in after today. So as always, my contact information, please reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm going to try to get back to you in a timely manner. And also I want to take the time, so pause the video now. You either need your printed out version of your QPA and a pencil or Google Classroom open, ready to work on your QPA. Okay, welcome back. So you should have your Google Classroom open at this point, or you should have your mini QPA 2 in front of you with a pencil, so we can continue working on that. So let's go to Google Classroom so I can show you guys, remind you guys how to get there. We're gonna go to our classes, log into Google Classroom, go to our classes, then you go down to wherever you have biology, go to classwork, and the most recent one, Unit 5 Genetics, we have classwork mini QPA 2. You should click on this to continue working on it. It should already be a copy for you, so continue working on your copy. We all want it to be in the same copy. If this is your first time making a copy, if you haven't had your own copy of your own, don't write on this one, the master copy, write on make a copy. So you go file, make a copy, you write in the name that you want, and then you make a copy. Also, as always, we have our Spanish version right here. So if you need the Spanish version, then you click here, click on this, the link, it'll take you to make a copy of the Spanish version. So we are working on this. Mini QPA 2, so we're describing how DNA is passed down. We've already completed part 1, part 2, and now we're working on part 3. So answer short answer questions about genetics and allele expression. So we should be all the way down to page 8 here. So part 3, answer these shorter answer questions. So you have 6 through 10 short answer questions. So you have 5 short answer questions. So some of them are asking you to explain why it is very difficult or impossible for 2 blue-eyed parents to have a brown-eyed child. It asks you for definitions of vocabulary words, and those will be highlighted for you. So make sure that you're writing in complete sentences for these. Complete sentences. So pause me now to complete pages 8 and 9, numbers 6 through 10 of your mini QPA 2. Okay, welcome back. This should have taken you about 30 to 45 minutes to complete all of these. Use your notes. So now we're ready. You are all complete with your mini QPA. Make sure that you are turning this into me. So when you go to the classwork, make sure that you're submitting it to me. So for example, I can submit here. I don't have access to show you how it's submitted because I don't have that view, but just make sure that you're submitting them to me. So they're due today. So make sure that is getting turned into me, please. So just looking ahead, we've already completed everything. This should be crossed off now too. So I'll go ahead and cross that off. We are in the middle of crossing it off of our list. So next week we have spring break, the week of the 20th, April 20th through 24th. So we are gonna have a break next week. So that's really exciting. I hope you guys stay healthy, stay safe. And then when you come back, we're going to work on our QPA, capstone QPA for Unit 5. So we are going to complete our analysis of how traits are passed down and expressed by completing a family tree. So that's something to look forward to. I'm really excited about that. As always, my contact information, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Make sure you guys are subscribing so you get notifications of when these videos are being uploaded. So have a great, safe break. See you guys on the 27th, I believe.